I'm often asked the question, when cleaning lead safe, what would I use? Passing dust wipe lab tests have continually shown that cleaning lead safe with Dawn and water in a spray bottle with paper towels cleans lead safe. And never forget, when you're cleaning lead safe, you're cleaning up lead. It's an invisible neurotoxin. Always wear gloves. Always. And when you're done cleaning lead safe, wash your hands with Dawn and water. Now, why does Dawn and water work so well? Let's ask Tom Neltner as to what the soap is and what it is doing. Tom Neltner is a chemical engineer and attorney dedicated to chemical safety issues. He's using his quarter century of experience in government, industry, academia, and nonprofit advocacy to protect kids from harmful exposure to lead.
Dawn is an ionic surfactant, so it's going to be much better at taking care of greases
Mm-hmm.
than a regular detergent.
So it's an ionic surfactant attacking the dirt and the grease. So what's an ionic surfactant? Here's some science for you. An ionic surfactant is a surface active agent that carries a net electrical charge on its water-loving hydrophilic head. When these molecules are dissolved in water, they dissociate into ions. Surfactants are unique because they have a dual nature: a hydrophobic, water-fearing tail that avoids water and a hydrophilic, water-loving head that seeks it. In ionic surfactants, the head group is electronically charged, which dictates how the surfactant interacts with surfaces, dirt, and other chemicals.
It sounds like you're going after it helps you on the accumulated greases that you may encounter.
Exactly. You can see in this graphic how an ionic surfactant works. Water alone can't easily lift nonpolar grime. When the ionic surfactant meets dirt and grease, the tail attaches to the grease and the heads stick to the water. The surfactants surrounding the grease and dirt create a shell and lift it. The grease is fully encapsulated in micelle, making the entire exterior water soluble. Micelles, now water friendly, are rinsed away, leaving a clean surface. What does all this mean? Dawn and water takes dirt and grease out of your way, and in the process, when attacking and removing the dirt and grease, you're also picking up the invisible lead dust. How much Dawn and water am I using in a large spray bottle that carries 30 ounces of water? I usually say a good few squirts and you'll be all set. However, how much is a few good squirts? 1, 2, 3. That is a full 2 ounces. 2 ounces of Dawn goes in 30 ounces in that spray bottle. Remember, always wear gloves when cleaning lead safe. Paper towels, a mixture of Dawn and water, and a good quality spray bottle. Time and time again, lab tests have proven keeping it simple cleans lead safe. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Dawn. I just know after lab tests, this really works well cleaning lead safe. Have a question about lead? Go to leadpaintdetectives.com or reach out through email, call, or our socials.